It has been 2 months since my initial review of the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and needless to say, I am in love with it. But why though? The iPhone 11 Pro Max has a 6.5-inch screen, and to be honest with you, for the past 2 months, it feels like I'm just walking around with a tablet because I came from the original iPhone 10, which has like a 5.2-inch screen. The midnight green color, which is very difficult to film by the way, is one of the most beautiful colors that I have ever seen on an iPhone. If they made an Apple Watch that was this color, I would drop this gold one in a heartbeat. Stainless steel gold one, done. The battery life on the 11 Pro Max is one of the best things that they could have done to this phone. The fast charging takes you from 0 to 100% in less than an hour, and I can use my phone for a day and a half to 2 days tops without even needing to plug it in. The microphone quality, it's pretty good. I mean, and I say that because I'm talking into a Rode microphone right now that's actually right below me. Doing the test footage on my camera review video, which I will put a link in the description box below for that, and I will actually put a card up in the corner. It's really good quality. The microphone on this iPhone will get the job done. It does pretty good. And I'm gonna insert a test video just to show you this right now. I don't wanna do this. 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 On top of that, this phone is just above the standards in every single way. If you want to check out my initial review video that is slightly less detailed but geared more toward the average consumer, then I will put a link for that in the description box as well for you to be able to check that out. I even enjoy writing my YouTube video scripts and my college papers on this computer, which in turn allows me to sync up to the Apple files and view this on my MacBook. Overall, the past 2 months, I mean, it's kind of a given, but I am obsessed with this phone. Everything from how fast it is, how fast it charges, the retention in battery, the color, the camera, screen size, everything about this phone I am in love with. And I've dropped it 10, 15 times already, and I have not ruined it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you don't mind to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell if you like videos like this. Not only do I review tech, but I enjoy giving a lot of updates on the tech that I'm using that allows you to kind of see wear and tear, what I like, what I don't like about it. But if you have something specific that you want to ask for, please put that in the comments down below, or if you even enjoyed this video. Like this video, comment down below, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. I love all of you. Bye.